Hey everybody, Jay Jackson here today and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a haul. I haven't did one in a while, so I thought it was time I went shopping. Yes, girl, I went shopping. It wasn't a major shop, but I just want to share with you guys the things that I ended up getting. So let's get started with the video. Okay, so the first item that I ended up getting was some bed risers. This was the main reason why I went shopping today, because I had to get these bed risers. So these are just as I said, they rise the bed, and they also add additional storage underneath the bed. So that's one of the pluses for having these bed risers, because I just love them. I just can't do without them, like my bed, Anyway, that was one of the things that I ended up getting. The next item that I ended up getting was this item here, and this is just some patches that you can use to, they're like iron-on patches that I have because I have a t-shirt and there's a small little hole. And the sad thing is, it's a brand new t-shirt. I've worn it a couple of times, but somehow when I was taking the tag off, I put a hole in the top. And so anyway, of course, I don't want to throw away the top, so I was like, okay, I'm just going to have to find a way to mend the fabric together, and that's how I'm going to do it with using these patches. Next item I ended up getting were these DSC, the Dollar Shave Club blades here. I don't know about you, but me, when I am shaving, I just began doing this. I hear that it's better to use a men's shaver than it is the typical blades or shavers that we use as women. They tend to, for some reason, shave better. I don't know why they don't make the women's shavers shave better, because we do have more hair, so I don't get that. People that are marketing this stuff, please listen up. We as women, we need better shavers. I need to be a part of their little club that they have. They say DSC Club, and I really need to just start getting these on a regular basis. It's coming to me because I know that you can have them by mail, and it may even be a little discount. I don't know for sure. I just, so I'm in the store and I was like, you know what? I'm getting ready to buy these shavers here. So anyway, that's how I ended up getting it. So it is 8 cartridges in here, and it is a 6 blade, which is a real plus for when you're shaving, because it will take away that hair. So okay, so the next thing I ended up getting was some towels for my husband. He needed some more face towels, so I forgot to say where I got each one of these items from. I will note somewhere down here or up here or to the side, or somewhere I will note where I got each one of these items from, and I'll even put a link down in the bottom if there's a link available. So anyway, I got this face towel for my husband because, well, not this face towel, I got more than one. I get him some face towels, okay? So I got these for him, and I got these with a little pattern. I like to get each person in the family different colors or different patterns, so that all of us are not using everyone else's towel. Like, I know some people, they like to just get all white towels and things of this sort. Me, I like to mix it up. Even like with our toothbrushes, they're different colors, of course. Everyone has their favorite color. Same thing with the towels. Everyone has their favorite color, so that I don't have to be worried about each one of us trying to use each other's. I know it sounds gross, but just want to make sure that they're not touching your toothbrush. That's what I'm saying, because I ain't want nobody touching my toothbrush. That's gross. That's just bad. So anyway, I got him some towels. Now the last thing that I ended up getting was some bath towels. We needed some more of those. Same thing with that too. Each person has their own color bath towels, and it's mainly because we just don't want everyone using the same towels. For the most part, I really don't have a lot of towels because I keep them at a minimum. but I still like each person to have their favorite color so that they can use their towels and they can wash their towels. We got adults in our house, so you know, I help out from time to time, but anyway, I digress. So I ended up getting this towel here. Many of them, like I said, I only bought 2 because we do have some. I just wanted to get some more, you know, because I just like that. You guys, I thank you so much for stopping by today. Be sure to give me a like because it really helps my channel. It helps YouTube notice me just a little bit more. And subscribe to my channel if this is the type of content that you like, because I usually do cleaning, decluttering, and organization type of videos. If you like that type of content, join the J Jackson family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Girl, get it right. So I ended up purchasing these bath towels as well from the store that I can't mention right now. I forgot at the moment.